You don't talk? Or do I talk?
You talk.
God. Now I got nervous.
Why are you getting nervous?
You're like, talk. We're doing a question. What the fuck was that? We're doing what is it called? A Q&A, and we're eating, the first time we're eating New Orleans food. We're in an oyster bar. Oyster bar. So we're gonna do a mukbang while we answer some questions. Now, what did you get, baby?
We got some alligator meat. Grilled alligator.
You got some grilled alligator.
We got some gumbo.
Some gumbo. Chicken gumbo.
Chicken gumbo.
Oh, and that's a seafood gumbo.
And the seafood gumbo.
Okay.
Can't really tip it.
Oh, and then we got the New Orleans. What is it called? Dude, damn, I don't remember what it's called. It's a bread something. Bread. Oh, you know what? I got the menu right here. I'm like, the New Orleans bread pudding.
Breadcrumb pudding.
Bread pudding. Yeah, breadcrumb pudding. And then I got a boy. Say it for me, babe.
A po' boy.
A what?
Po' boy.
A po' boy. A
po' boy.
Shrimp.
Po' boy.
A shrimp. So it's like a sandwich. See?
Basically like Subway. With some shrimps on it.
Yeah. This is really good. I mean, I've never had it, but I've seen, like, that's New Orleans food. Is gumbo is most important. And I got chicken gumbo. And this, he got some alligator. Let me see. Baby, you're going to have to eat half of mine. Because you didn't get nothing. I thought there was more. Here, get this one. Got those forks in here. Oh, so you can eat alligators? I thought you couldn't kill them or stuff.
It's the alligator. Probably the tail a little bit alligator.
But you still eating an alligator. Here. This one here, this is yours.
Give me another.
No. Here you go. Try it for me.
I'm about to try the alligator meat.
It's good or what?
It's actually pretty good.
Remember that time you cooked me? You cooked for me?
Try
no, I'm not. I don't give a damn. I'm not. No, I'm not.
Try it.
Look at, listen to me. No,
Try
baby, please. No,
try
I don't want to know.
Baby, try it. Try it.
Well, no,
Try
I cannot.
it.
Baby. Oh my God.
Baby, try it. That's the point of this whole video.
No, it's not. We're doing a question.
We're doing a questionnaire. But
Oh,
you
baby,
try
this is
it.
terrible. Okay, I'm gonna try it because I'm gonna be a little bitch. Hold on.
Try it. Baby, it tastes like chicken. It's basically the same thing as pork chop. That's all it's about.
It smells so bad though. It smells like fish.
Yeah. This is seasons. Baby, taste
That shit is strong.
No, it ain't. It's like pork chop, seasoned.
Come here. I mean this much. That's all I'm eating. I'm fucking for real.
It's like a pork chop, baby. Try it. A real try.
Did you not fucking see me try?
But that's not a real,
Let me ask the
real
questions. I'm not gonna eat no more. I'm good. I got this whole big ass sandwich. I'm still trying to try what gumbo tastes like. Okay. How did we meet? You wanna go?
Well, we met back in 9th grade, I guess. And I had sent her a note across the classroom. But she turned me down.
No, but then later, like years later, you, like what happened? You just messaged me on Facebook?
Yeah, I just messaged her on Facebook to see how she was doing. And we just started talking. We just kicked it off.
Like, we really kicked it off. Like, really. Because I've always found you cute. I've always found him so cute. Fine as hell. Hey, baby. You like it?
I tried it.
I mean, it's gum. I've never had a shrimp stuff. But you hit me up But I'm the one that asked you on the date. I asked him on the date. I was like, oh no, you're not sleeping away from me.
That was only because I was going out of town. I ain't have enough time to plan.
So, but I was the one tripping at you like, come on, let me take you out, let me take you out, let me take you out. And you're like, yeah, when I get back, we'll see when I get back.
But I also had you come to my job because I wanted to see you. Before.
You just wanted to see if I look like my Facebook or like my Facebook picture, or I gained some weight, or I still look like the same from high school.
No.
Be fucking honest.
Wow.
Be fucking honest.
I wanted to see you. I just wanted to see you before I went out of town. Just so I know when I come back, Luigi don't start kicking it off. I had to wait. I didn't want you to forget about me in the 7 days I was gone.
7 days?
I was gone for a whole week. I was gone for a whole week.
But no, you weren't. You gone for 3 days.
And I FaceTimed you the whole time I was there. When I was in Arizona.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it was 3 days. It was not 7 days. Fucking full of bullshit.
It's a long time.
Full of shit. Yeah. Yeah, but we kicked it off. What's the next one? And so what's your dream job? Like your dream job?
I want to be a photographer.
A what? A what?
A photographer.
No. You said it funny as fuck.
I know, I said it first time. Well, you gotta cut that shit out.
No. A photographer?
Alright, you guys, go follow my big daddy, Dakota, on Instagram.
I don't got a dream job. I just want to make my own business.
I want to work for myself.
Hell yeah. I hate working for somebody. I hate it so much. It's not for me. Especially when you know your own worth. You're just like, no. You leave that shit. Listen. Somebody asked, where would you like to travel? Like, where's your dream destination? Where would you like, baby? And you really, really want to travel to?
Canada. Yeah.
Like your dream?
That's why I want to travel to.
Well, fuck, we're going in January. Canada's your dream destination? Why?
Not sure.
Are you talking about the snow? Like the
Like
snow?
the snow and go snowboarding.
Yeah. Mine is Rome in Italy. Like, I love it. I love the art.
The architect.
By now, y'all should have realized that I can't even speak nor pronounce anything. But just letting y'all know, and I can eat.
Yeah.
Oh, Lord, I can eat.
Oh. Qualities why you like each other. Name 3. You're gonna be mad as fuck for answering this. It's not hard. Name 3. I'm gonna only give you 3 to fucking name. Like 3 why. What qualities you like about me?
I love your personality. I love how you see things and how you respect what I likes and dislikes. I love how you treat your kids. And how well you take care of them. And how well you take care of me.
You know I got you right. Take care of you. Well, mine 3. I got more than 3. I got like a million, but I'm gonna just name 3. Or something, I don't know what you're saying. I like how you're so dominant. Like, since I met you, you've been so dominant. And I've always been, like, the dominant one. But it's like, no, what you say it is. Or, like, I like your point of views. Or how you see things. Or how we both want the same in life. How we both want a family. How we both want just everything. I feel like we just click. Like, we just want the same in life. I like how you're so serious. I love how you're serious, and I like how you can be goofy sometimes. But I like the seriousness because sometimes I can be goofy, and it's like, I think it balances out. Also, like the loving part, like, you know, like I know I'm real clingy and loving, and it's if I have somebody that's clingy and loving, I'll be like, ugh, get away from me because it's annoying, you know. So it's like we balance each other so good and like in that way. I mean, I can go on and on. You want me to go on? I can go on and on and on. Oh, I love how you treat my children. I love how mature you are for your age. And you fine as fuck. Oh my god, you fine as fuck. Okay, let me go to the next one. How many kids do you want? Like, how many kids in total?
5. You got 3. Need 2 more.
You should just eat it. Damn, you haven't eaten nothing, baby?
I have a.
We gotta try this one. I haven't tried the gumbo. We're in New Orleans right now because it's somewhere I've always wanted to go. Because like the history and what's it called? I can't pronounce the word. I say culture. The culture.
Yeah, the culture.
The culture. And it's like I love it. Oh, because Originals, the show, I'm obsessed with. Like I love it. And then Princess and the Frog is my favorite princess movie, and it's just like loved everything about it. So we're here now. That's what we're like.
Whole lot of voodoo.
Yeah.
Voodoo tours.
It's cool, but then it's like everything. It's like for grown-ups down here because everything's like 21 and up. Like everything's alcohol. Everything is. You see a bunch of drunk people. People sleeping on the street, and they're not even homeless. Like they're just sleeping on the street. They're just drunk. Everybody drunk, smoking weed. Like everybody's like out living. It's Halloween, and everybody's in costume. Like we seen what's that thing? The Tiger King. We seen a guy in the Tiger King. We seen half naked bitches out here. Yeah, somebody enjoyed that. But yeah, it's nice though. It's just not. It's not rich in, like how I thought, like rich in culture, like, you know, old fashioned as I thought it would be. I don't know why I thought it would be, but I guess the streets are. But there's a lot to do.
Well, we better go take a ride. Ride around the city.
Yeah, I'm over the city. Yeah, go to the cemetery. Whoa, we gotta try all this food. It is already long as hell. Huh? You wanna try it? I was gonna get some. Like, okay. Finish chewing that so you can try this. I feel like I've had this. This is like cobbler. American.
Peach cobbler.
That's what it tastes like. Yeah. Right? Yeah?
It's just pumpkin pie.
Pumpkin pie? No, it's not.
It's pumpkin pie.
God, so why does it say... Was it original or something? I don't know.
Yeah. It's just pumpkin pie.
I don't know. He's
It's pumpkin pie. I made it like some pudding.
I don't know, but I've had this before. I think... I don't know what country. I don't know. I think Mexican food. I don't know. Are you gonna try the gumbo? Woo!
Seafood gumbo.
And I got the chicken. But I don't know what that other word was, baby. What was that? It said chicken and what? Started with the A. Hold on. And I don't know how to pronounce it. Neither did you. You don't. I mean, you probably know how to pronounce it. You don't know what it is though. Let me see. Food, chicken and this shit better not be no goddamn alligator or something.
Idillion. Gumbo.
A traditional. Classic. That's what it says. So we're gonna hit with that because you see it all the time. Like they always talking about gumbo. It's like, okay, I want to try and see what it is about. Oh, and then like one thing I want to talk about is like when we start making. Is it good?
It's pretty good. It just tastes like.
Just tastes like something.
It's some basic soup.
No, fucking like you know what this tastes like? Frijoles charros. You know what frijoles charros is? Have you ever had that with your dad's family? The beans and they got the sausages chopped up. Yeah. You know what I'm talking about with the bacon and shit? This is what it tastes like. Look, taste it. This is probably what the fuck it is. Let me see. And they do got
TRs
sausages.
That tastes totally different.
I'm not trying seafood. Nah.
It ain't
Don't eat seafood.
Baby,
I don't like this
it's
shit.
not the same.
It didn't.
It's not the same. It tastes like regular
It tastes like fish in it.
No, it ain't.
Oh, I see what it's saying. It do taste like regular soup. But I want to talk about the YouTube channel I'm making. I mean, I feel like we be doing stuff all the time. I think we have a fascinating life, so I was like, let's just record it. I mean, just for fun and just see. So it'd be random videos. It could be a vlog. It could just be a video about this. It could be a video about that.
We always out and about.
Always. So, like our trip to what's it called? Savannah.
Savannah, Augustine.
Yeah, I'm gonna drop some videos. Yeah.
Oh my dear, please would you be mine? We could do what love is all about. Oh my dear, please hold my hand. This is all I want, this is all I need.
Pumpkin patch. A couple weeks ago.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna do an October video. Like a summary. Because we also went to the sunflowers. So go see the sunflowers. Your favorite was the girl out there?
Yeah. It's pretty much the best thing on this table.
I swear to God. I've been thinking this whole time is like different as hell. But this is like frijol charos with rice. Like look, the beans, the rice. Fucking frijoles charros. What meat is that? I'm probably eating a fucking animal that I don't know. You think it was an armadillo? No, right? That's how you spell armadillo, right?
Armadillo.
Then what the fuck is that? You looking at me? I'm gonna Google that shit. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna fucking die.
Nah, it's not armadillo.
Oh my god. Cool. I mean, you full?
Yeah, I'm going full.
Yeah. I think we're gonna cut the video off now. We got a vlog coming soon. We did a bunch of what did we do? It was Halloween, so we did a bunch of like voodoo. We went to Voodoo Museum. Went to the voodoo shop. I could not record the voodoo shop though because it said no cameras, no taking pictures. I didn't want to take no pictures because all that shit looked demonic as hell. Especially that goat man looking thing that had a statue of. I got mine. What is it called? The tea red, like your palm red, but it's with the tea. They did 3 options, but I wanted the tea one. I really didn't get to record, but I do got the disc, so I'm gonna play that for y'all and show y'all what they show y'all what they told me. We also went to gift shops and everything. Got recording of that. We got several things. And we're going to the cemetery and about to drink some and take some Jello shots because I tell you everything out here is alcohol. But alright, I'll see y'all.
Alright.
Okay, man. Let me eat. This is good. It's got a big ass pickle.